Hi students, I'm very happy to introduce you to the final CA Prepper program at Pinnacle Education. With a 360-degree approach to learning, we have set up a very comprehensive program that takes care of everything you need to clear your exams in the very first go. Efficiently designed coaching, which is spread over 1.5 to 2 years, that helps you balance beautifully between articleship, coaching, and your personal time. Delivered by tutors that have a wealth of experience, averaging 10 to 20 years. They will all share tips, tricks, and so many real-life experiences. And of course, the secret sauce that helps you qualify as a chartered accountant in the very first attempt. And while you attend the live classes, some physical and some online, you will also have access to a complete library of all the recorded sessions and uploaded for you on the Pinnacle eCampus app, our new LMS. You can access those for revision, doubt solving, or when you miss a class. And the Pinnacle eCampus app doesn't just stop there. We will present to you on a platter all the resources that you need while you prepare. Notes, test papers, solutions, revision videos, and lots more. We also have a detailed blog library ready for you with lots and lots of interesting resources that you will need to crack your exams. A rigorous testing regime, both progress tests and mock exams, to give you a near exam experience. And of course, as you get closer to your exams, bootcamps for doubt solving, revision, discussing RTPs, and dedicated helplines to close every doubt that you may have. Next question is, what is the right time to begin CA final coaching? Well, a comprehensive final CA coaching program, all 8 papers, takes about 1500 plus hours of coaching. You need to spread it systematically over a minimum of 1.5 to 2 years. The schedules need to be balanced well. The choice of syllabus you do first and what you do later needs to be prioritized. Quick tips on how not to forget what you have learned through tests and self-practice needs terrific planning. And all this can happen only when you begin early. So as soon as you clear your CA Int exams and get started with your articleship, it is the right time to begin. So come along, join the club, and let's get started. Your journey to qualifying as a chartered accountant begins now.